Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy a lot or League of Traders token on Binance Alpha. As you know, lot just get listed on Binance Alpha, and if you want to buy it, I will show you. It's very easy. First, you can open your Binance apps and then go to your search box here in the top, and then you can search a lot. Search it. You can scroll down and you will see a lot on Alpha. You can click it. And then this is the chart. It just get list, and if you want to see the details, you can click info here in the top, and you will see 24-hour high, low, and the volume. Also, you can see the audit here. You can read it, and if you want to buy it, you can just simply click trade here in the bottom, and then you can use instant buy or you can use limit order. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.